Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, today we will learn about conjunction on workbook page number 49 of your English workbook. Do you know what is conjunction? Yes, conjunction are used to join sentences or part of sentences. Sometimes they also join words. मतलब कंजक्शन वो है जो कि दो जुमलों को या दो अल्फाज को आपस में जोड़ती है, वो कंजक्शन कहलाती है। जैसे कि यहाँ पर हम कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं। माई शर्ट इज़ वाइट एंड ब्लू। बाय विच वर्ड वाइट एंड ब्लू इज joined? And yes, conjunction is and. She is poor but very generous. Poor, very generous. By which words these two words are joined? But, yes. Would you like coffee or tea? Coffee or tea is joined by which word? Or. Yes, here is the conjunction or. Okay, now we have to circle the conjunction and underline the words they connect. Okay, उन अल्फाज को जिन दो अल्फाज को ये जोड़ता है उसे हमें अंडरलाइन करना है, और जो कंजक्शन है उसे हमने क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है। ओके, डिड यू बाय पेपर एंड पेंसिल फॉर टेस्ट? ओके, व्हाट इज कंजक्शन? एंड which two words are joined? Paper and pencil. Okay, we are having rice and meat for lunch. Which two words are joined? Rice, meat. By which word? And. Conjunction is and. Okay. Will you stay home or go out? Which two words are joined? Home, go. And by which word? Which is conjunction? Or. They are going to Murray or Kagan for vacation. Which two words are joined? Murray and Kagan. Which is by which conjunction? Or. I wrote a short yet effective report. Which is conjunction? Yet. Which two words are joined? Short, effective. Put the bag on the table or in the cupboard. Which two words are joined? On the table, in the cupboard. By which word? Or. You cannot get a prize until you win. Which two words are joined? Prize, you. Which word? Until. It is of no use collecting flowers if you seldom visit a garden. Which two words are joined? Flowers and you. By which word? Which is conjunction? If. Okay, students. Now we will. Have you heard this poem earlier? Yes, we have learned it in nursery or PG or prep class. Yes. Now we will speak with me. What is the poem? Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown. Jack and Jill came tumbling after. Jack got, and home did trot as fast as he could caper. Went to bed and mend his head with vinegar and brown paper. Okay, students, now we will learn about different conjunctions and their functions. हम इन कंजक्शंस के बारे में जानेंगे और ये कहाँ यूज़ हो सकती हैं, हम उनके बारे में जानेंगे. First conjunction is if. It is used to express conditions. If, for example, if you don't work hard, you will not get the prize. Means अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो आप इनाम भी नहीं हासिल कर सकोगे. मीन्स अगर इसमें दो चीज़ों के दरमियान जो है कंडीशन को शो किया जाता है. अगर आप ये काम करोगे, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपको टीचर कहती है कि अगर आपने मेहनत नहीं की तो आपके मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आएंगे। इसी तरह ये तभी यूज़ किया जाता है इफ़, जब व्हेन यू शो कंडीशन। And next conjunction is or. It is used to introduce second of two alternatives while with whether and either. Go and see whether he is playing or sitting. Playing or sitting. Which two words are playing or sitting? After. After. Where we use after? At a later time. I found your purse after you left the house. ये मतलब के बाद के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है। I found your purse मतलब कि मैंने तुम्हारा पर्स उस वक़्त लिया जब तुम घर छोड़ चुके थे। Until, up to the time that, as for as. Stay here until I come back. मतलब कि जब तक, until उस वक़्त यूज़ किया जाता है कि जब तक के लिए, यानी कि तुम यहाँ रुको जब तक मैं वापस ना आ जाऊँ। फिफ्थ है as, यूज़ इन कंपैरिजन, जब दो चीज़ों के दरमियान कंपैरिजन को शो किया जाता है तब यूज़ किया जाता है। He works in the same office as my sister. Used in the place of while, ये while की जगह पे यूज़ किया जाता है। He saw her as he was passing from there. For जो है वो यूज़ किया जाता है used after the hint statement. It means because she did not attend the meeting for she was not feeling well. क्योंकि वो यानी कि ये उनके स्टेटमेंट के साथ फॉर यूज़ किया जाता है क्योंकि उसने मीटिंग को इसलिए अटेंड नहीं किया था क्योंकि वो अच्छा फील नहीं कर रही थी। Okay student, these are some conjunction. Here are also some conjunction which are called fanboys conjunction. Friends, so you know fanboys rule can help you to memorize some conjunction in a fun way. Fanboys stands for these conjunction: for, as, nor, but, yet, so. F means for fanboys. F means for, A for as, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, S for so. This is called fanboys. These are fanboys.